Hello friends, I'm Rana Simran Singh. In my previous video, I discussed about the importance of career planning and how we can enhance our prospects by inculcating 21st century skills. So here we go with the 21st century skills in this video. बचपन में हमने एक कहानी बहुत बार सुनी है, हेयर एंड द टॉर्टोइज. वही कहानी आज मैं दोहराऊंगा. काइंडली लिसन इट केयरफुली एंड ट्राई टू ग्रैब द टीचिंग्स ऑफ द स्टोरी, as it will help you in understanding the 21st century skills in an easy way. Hare and the tortoise. We all know that there was an argument between Hare and the tortoise that who is the fastest. To decide this, a race was organized between them. In the race, Hare ran very fast and on its way, it saw that tortoise is very far away, so it relaxed under the tree and slept. Meanwhile, the tortoise came and reached the finishing point, thus won the race. The outcome of the story is slow and steady wins the race, जो कि हमें अभी तक मालूम है. लेकिन कहानी अभी खत्म नहीं हुई. Next day, Hare had some soul searching and self analysis that I'm the fastest. How could I lose the race? So it decided to challenge tortoise once again. And during this race, it didn't stop anywhere and won the race by several miles. The conclusion of this story is that fast and consistent will always beat slow and steady. कहानी अभी भी खत्म नहीं हुई, कहानी अभी और आगे चलती है. This time, tortoise thinks that I cannot beat Hare in the race anyways. So he tried to put some creativity in the race by changing the route. The finishing point was decided across the river. Hare agreed it readily because he was overconfident that I am fast and consistent. The race began. Hare ran very fast and reached the river bank and sat over there without any option. Gradually, tortoise came, crossed the river, reached the finishing point and won the race. The moral of this story is, first identify your core competencies, then change the rule and choose the field. कहानी अभी और आगे चलती है. By the time tortoise and the hare, they both became very good friends, and this time they decided to have the race as a team. During this race, they carried each other on their back. When Hare was running, it carried tortoise on its back, and when the river was to be crossed, tortoise carried Hare on its back, and ultimately they reached the finishing point and achieved their goals. The teaching or the learning of this story is, it's good to be individually brilliant and have strong core competencies, but when you are working as a team, you should be able to identify each other's strengths and weaknesses. इस सारी स्टोरी में हमें 4 चीजें सीखने को मिली हैं, and these 4 things are termed as 4 C's. What are the 4 C's? Communication, creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking or problem solving. These 4 C's are the 21st century skills. I'll repeat: communication, creativity, collaboration, and critical thinking. These 4 C's are the 21st century skills, and all other leadership skills are based on these 4 C's or the 21st century skills. And studies have shown that a child who acquires these 21st century skills or 4 C's from the age of 12 to 15, he cannot be replaced by smart machines or artificial intelligence. ये तो थे 21st century skills. Let me ask you some basic questions, especially to the students, that have you ever thought how the MLAs or the member parliaments work? What is the job profile for the 5 years? What they do when they are in the parliament? Have you ever thought how our police stations work? How the judiciary system functions? Every year in the schools we celebrate the days of the national heroes or the national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose. But have we ever thought beyond the celebrations in the school that what their lives were all about? Bhagat Singh, besides being a revolutionary, he had a strong inclination towards literature. Subhash Chandra Bose, we have never thought how he became friend with Hitler, kahan Germany, kahan India, and how he became friend with him. We have never thought how he was able to manage the army of 44,000 troops and wage a war against British army. One very practical question. Schools में हमें letters लिखनी सिखाते हैं, especially the formal letters. Letter to the editor, police commissioner, deputy commissioner, mayor and other authorities in your city. Real life में क्या हमने कभी इन letters को use किया है? We all face problems in our neighborhood. DJs in our neighborhood, parks problem in our neighborhood, road problem. लेकिन हम कभी इन authorities को ये letter नहीं लिखते हैं. Hardly 1 or 2% people might be writing these letters to the authorities. इसके दो reason है. The first thing is we learn these letters just to get the marks. कैसे? इसका format learn कर लो, इसके 5 से 6 नंबर मिल जाएंगे. And the second reason, the most important reason is the 20th century skills. We are seasoned according to the 20th century skills. And what are the 20th century skills? Compliance and conformity. Compliance and conformity को अगर मैं बिल्कुल layman language में आपको समझाने की कोशिश करूं तो वो है producing the obedient citizens. A citizen who doesn't need any reasoning, who doesn't need any problem solving. For example, क्लास में टीचर एक टॉपिक समझा रहा है, सारी क्लास को समझ आया, एक बच्चे को नहीं समझ आया, he will not raise his hand. Why? Because he feels that I should blend myself according to the surroundings. So he didn't ask the questions. वही बच्चा 10 साल 15 साल बाद he becomes a mature grown up adult citizen. He will not ask the question to the authorities. So this is conformity and compliance, the 20th century skills. Friends, in my all the workshops I always ask, especially to the students, that practice on your skills. These 21st century skills can be acquired. I always ask them, practice. If you are not practicing, then someone somewhere is practicing. And when you meet him, he will win. Through this video also, I hope that you will understand the importance of learning and working on your skills. With this, I would conclude on my 21st century skills and thank you very much. All the best.